What's up? What's up? Why are you looking at me like that? Sit, sit, sit. Paw. Good boy. High five. Good boy, good boy. Good boy. Tell the people that I'm training you well and that you're okay and that we've just been busy and you went to the dog park yesterday and you can finally go outside. Tell them all that. You're not gonna talk today? Okay, my bad, cool down. What? What? Where are you going? You want your cow? Let me see that. Hey, 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 hey. Look at that. Hold on, my phone. You want it? Hey, sit. Speak. Sit. Shh. Speak. Shh. 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 Gotham. Speak. Good boy. Yeah, I gotta talk to you guys. So, see you guys in a bit. We're gonna go to Victor's house and we're gonna install his front pipe and finally get this exhaust finally mounted. For sure. A lot of things I need to do this car, but a lot of little TLC that I need to do. One of the main ones right here. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. Let me see if I can zoom in. The rubber thing, you want to call it. Whenever I wash my car, water leaks into the headlight. I just need to cover that up. So I need to actually put the headlight and do the baking method where you bake the headlight and then you put the new rubber mount on it, and then you put it back in there and then you clamp it. Like, I actually need to do that to the passenger headlight, but I'm really lazy and it doesn't seem to damage the headlight that much. But the guy that I bought it off of gave me a warning on it before I bought it off of him, and that's why I got him for so fucking damn cheap. So, and plus I think these have demonized. I just actually have to install them. You can't see it, so I can't even show you, but there's 2 red wires that hook on from the back of the actual car. It just needs a certain power source. So I'm pretty sure he said that these headlights have demonized, but if it doesn't, it's no big deal for me. Yeah. Plus, I don't even know if I really want to keep these headlights. I'm really weird like that, guys. I like switching things around to the car. But I need to do that. All this right here, whenever I got my fenders rolled, the paint just started coming off. So just an idea, hear me out. I want to get sandpaper, sand all this down just right here, the edges, and then get that pen touch-up paint, and then get the primer real quick, and that's it. I don't want it to be perfect, I just want it to not rust anymore, because if you see it, it's starting to rust. The hood of the car, or the roof of the car, I'm probably gonna take the plastic dip off soon. If you guys are new to the channel and wondering why I have plastic dip on the car, it's because the paint is really bad on the roof. You can actually see it right here. And I just wanted to cover it up in the meantime until I found a different method, but I'm probably just gonna end up getting a wrap gloss black just to make it match the car. When you guys see it, back to the fender, it's the same thing right here. I need to restore this. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fix that dent right there. No big deal. I actually need to detail my rims because they are filthy as AF. So I don't know. A lot of things need to get done to this car. Just not a lot of time. And I'm also in the process of considering building the head too. So we'll see what's up. Hello, Victor. So it should be a really pretty familiar install, right? This is the pipe that Vic is going to be putting on. This is the high flow cat, right?
Yeah.
So it's a high flow cat, so he's still going to have some sort of cat. It's more of a honeycomb filter, pretty much the one that I used to have on my car. So it's really similar to it, just that his is a little bit bigger. The piping's a lot bigger. Your size piping is what, 2.5?
Yeah.
So from the header, from his unequal length header all the way to the exhaust, it's 2.5 inches. Motiv front pipe, Perrin, cat back, Perrin, overpipe, and TOMEI unequal length headers. Correct?
Yes.
All right, for sure. You guys already know how it sounds, but this is something I was like telling him for like the longest to get them to his car, because with a boxer engine you need that Subaru rumble, and it's gonna sound even better just with this front pipe. It's just like maybe 5 or 6 bolts that he needs to unhook, and he's already...
I'm just taking off the cover to make...
Oh, that's right, you need to take the cover off first, huh?
Just the black one.
Okay, cool. So while I was gonna be taking that off, I wanted to talk to you guys about this. I'm looking into Drag Cartel's 2.2 cams with Super Tech valves and retainers, I think that's what it's called. I can buy this right now, and probably have some money left over to do the install, but I'm still gonna have to retune the car, and I don't know what else I really need for it. So anybody that has a built head, and I'm trying to stay K20, maybe in the future I'll do K24, I don't know. Like, just for right now, like, this is what I really wanna do, and this is what my plans are for it. I want to stay K20 in the meantime. I might either boost, or I might stay on motor, or I might do K24. I don't know. It all depends on what the future holds. I don't want to say I'm going to be doing something. There's a lot of things I want to do to this car. Here, you can't even see shit right here. There's a lot of things I really want to do to my car, but I don't want to say something and then not go through with it. So, but for sure, building the head is something that I really had my eye on. I don't know, I think it'd be pretty cool, especially because, like, if you pop my hood, all you'll see is an intake, and if I build the head and you pop my hood, all you'll see is an intake. So I don't know. Oh yeah, I was supposed to do a lip install on the car last week with Victor, but I ended up buying the wrong one, and it was way too wide. I think it was a different year for WRX, I don't remember. I think I was trying to get the same S204 lip, but it didn't work. So now I'm looking into a different one. I'm waiting for the guy to respond back to see if he has any in stock, because I really like that one. But yeah, about building the head, let me know what else I need, if I should be looking into anything else. Looks so much better, so much better. You're finally gonna have a complete exhaust, man, from the header all the way back to the exhaust tip. Just so you guys can see it, let me take it off the stand real quick. My bad. What was that? Oh, that was your old one. That's it. That's the cat back, and then that's the new front pipe. So pretty sick. We're gonna turn it on and we're gonna check out for any exhaust leaks. Bro, I've been wanting to see this since you got the car. So let's go ahead and hear this bish. Ready? Yeah. All you need is a lip, dude. You're missing a lip on this beautiful car.
And a wash.
And a wash too, yeah. Por la mugre, wait. We're gonna put the car back down and, I don't know, go from there. But yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it. I mean, thank you guys for watching today's video. I know I've been lacking on videos. I haven't really posted any, but it's just been really busy and just been really focusing on myself. I've been trying to hit the gym a lot more. That way I can actually start using the membership and everything. I'm trying to better myself. I'm trying to come and, you know, just stuff like that. Work's been really busy. Just same old shit you hear from my side. But that doesn't mean I'm dead. I'm still here, guys. And we'll see what's up with the Honda. I mean, hopefully I can find some... Hopefully I can figure out what I'm gonna do next to it, which would be really great. You good, bruh?
Yeah.
I don't know, and then a couple of you guys have been talking about how, if I ever want to do a meet and greet. I probably would. I just want to know how many of you guys would be really down to actually do it, and that way I could find a spot that we can all just kick back, maybe have a cruise or something, I don't know. And for those that are wondering where I'm from, Oxnard, California, right in Ventura County, so basically SoCal. About an hour away from LA, if that helps. So, and no, it won't just be Hondas, it would be any other vehicle. think it's pretty cool that this baby would be able to go to. But anyways, I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Stay classy. Peace.